The Central Wisconsin Environmental Station is a 200-acre field station of the University of Wisconsin-Stevens Point. It is also host of the Tomorrow River Community Charter School, a Waldorf-inspired public school with a focus on movement, music, and nature. At this school, students participate in a nature studies program as part of their regular curriculum.
The nature studies experience means to me and my students that we get another opportunity to work outside with a variety of educators.
All of my students really enjoy being outside, so to be able to be outside and to learn about all the things in nature is really important to them and to me.
Has anyone ever looked into a microscope before? Yeah. And have you ever looked at plant cells? Yeah. That's what this is. These are plant cells.
Or the stem of the leaf. It'll insert its eggs right underneath the skin, and that plant will automatically start making a home for it. Isn't that kind of weird?
They do that to an apple.
So, and it's really strange because it's specific for each insect.
So, I'm going to show you this map, and the gray blob is everywhere the porcupine lives. It represents the entire range of the porcupines.
Oh my! They live in forests. They live where you set it down.
Yeah?
What do you enjoy most about nature studies?
That we get to be outside. The teachers are very, very kind and loving to everybody.
That you get to learn about a bunch of different kinds of animals, and you get to learn where they come from, and I think that's my favorite part about nature studies.
Well, teaching nature studies was a unique experience because most of the time when you're out here you teach the lessons that SWES has prepared, but when you get to teach nature studies, it's your own lessons. You get to use your own ideas, your own questioning, and it's a real freeing experience to teach out here at SWES.
If you had to describe nature studies in one word, what would it be?
Awesome. Probably I love nature. Awesome.
Fun. Exploration.
Calming.
Pragmatic.
And if you had to describe nature studies in one word, what would it be?
Fun.
Incredible. Fun. Awesome. Interesting.
Interactive.
Amazing.